Ever shared a Dochub document only to find your links aren't clickable? Let's fix that in under 90 seconds. First, open your Dochub document and locate the text you want to make into an active hyperlink. This is the text that the viewer will click to visit another page or website. Next, use your cursor to highlight the exact text you wish to transform into a clickable link. Now, look for the link icon in your Dochub toolbar. It often resembles a chain link or a globe. Click on this icon. A small window or field will now appear. This is where you'll enter the web address or URL that you want your link to direct. To make sure to type it accurately, type in the full URL, including HTTP or HTTPS at the beginning, or paste it in if you have it copied. This ensures Dochub recognizes it as a web address. Once you've entered the URL, click the Save or Apply button to confirm the change. You'll notice the text you selected is now visually different. It might be underlined, a different color, or both, signaling that it's now an active hyperlink. To test it, simply click on the text in your Dochub document. It should now open the linked website or page in a new tab. Congratulations! Your Dochub document is now more interactive and user-friendly, with active, clickable links ready to be shared.